Shahina, let's continue.
Okay, okay. We were here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mooncakes with double egg
Nine.
yolks.
Nine. Did we finish 9?
9. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Mooncakes with double egg yolks cost 50 cents, more than those with only a single egg yolk. Mrs. Tan bought 6 mooncakes with double egg yolks and 5 with only single egg yolks. If the paid $36 for 11 mooncakes, how much does a mooncake with double egg yolk cost?
If he paid $36 for the 11 mooncakes, how much does a mooncake with double egg yolk cost? Okay, good. So since we are talking about 2 different things, right? Draw a table again.
Okay. So this one is egg yolk.
Let's just write it is double and single, right? Let's say it is D and S.
Okay. So let's say that let X be the single egg yolk, the money. How do you do that?
So how much does a moon cake with double egg yolk cost, right? So we need to find double egg. So let X be the cost of 1 double egg yolk. All right. You just write the first letter. The cost of D-E-Y. And we understand D, capital D, capital E, capital Y. Double egg yolk. Okay. So
wait, but like,
so
because I thought maybe we could do like the single egg yolk first, and then since it said that the double egg yolk costs 50 more cents, we could add the 50 cents after.
okay. So if the cost of 1 double egg yolk is X dollars, is it dollar, right? Not in cents.
Yeah.
So let's write X dollars.
Okay.
So what will be the price of single egg yolk?
50 minus X, or X minus 50.
Yeah, it is in dollar. Shahina, immediately we need to change cents into dollars, right?
Yeah.
50 cents equals $0.5 or, sorry, dollars. Or 1 over $2. So write the price of single egg yolk.
0.5. Okay.
No, Shahin, it says 50 cents more.
I thought that the double egg yolks were 50 cents more.
Okay, if the price of this double egg yolk is X, what will be the price of this S, single S? That will be, what is it? X minus
Minus 0.5.
0.5, right? Like
Okay.
this. Because in
Okay.
two different ways you can write. If you just write, for example, the first one as X, so this will be X plus 1 over 2. But if you take this one as X, the second one will be X minus 1 over 2.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the first part of the question, right? Can you read the second sentence?
Yeah. Mrs. Tan bought 6 mooncakes with double egg yolks and 5 with only single egg yolk. If to pay $36 for 11 mooncakes, how much does a mooncake with double egg yolk cost?
Okay. Like Lori and Brick. Can you write the equation first? And he is saying that Mrs. Tan bought 6 mooncakes, right? With double
Yeah.
egg yolks and 5 with only a single. So that is 6 times D, right? Plus 5 times S equals $36.
Uh-huh.
If you just translate this word here, 6 mooncakes with double yolk, what is it? 6 times D plus 5 with only a single egg yolk. That is 5 times S. And altogether, how much did she pay? She pays $36. Now 6 times, do we know the price of D? Here D is represented by X, right? So here we just write X plus 5 times, how about S? S is represented by this. That is X minus 0.5, that is 1
0.5.
over 2. So on the right hand side, we have 36, right?
Oh, okay. So, 6 times D plus, I know it's the
Is
P.
it D or P? It looks like P.
It's supposed to be a D. Times D, K, D times S plus S, right?
Yeah, Shahina, can you just translate this word? Look, the second sentence said, bought 6 mooncakes. 6 times D, right? For each one, we need to pay this price. Plus 5 with only a single egg yolk. Plus 5 times S. And altogether, she paid $36. So that's equal to 36. 5S.
Equals to 30.
So what is D here? What does it represent here? This D is the price of
X.
double, right? Price of single.
So that's 6x plus 5 times x minus 0.5 equals 36. So that's 6x plus 5x minus 5 times 0.5, that is 5 equals to 30.
Shahina, 5 times
Wait,
0.5. What is it? 5 times 0.5. It's 5 times half, right?
that's 3, 2.5?
What is 5 times 5? It is 25. We have one
25.
decimal point here, 2.5.
Oh, oh, okay. I, yeah. So how much was 2.5 equals 36.
Okay, very good.
Oh my god. 36. 6x plus 5x, that's 11x minus or equals to 36 plus 2.5, which equals to 11x. 38.5. Okay.
Shahina, can you write the 38.5 as a fraction?
Yeah. That'll be 11x equals 38 and a half. Okay. And now we do, just do that. X equals to 38 and a half
That
over
38 and 30 and a half, Shahina, write it as a single fraction, as an improper fraction. Okay, like this, we can simplify it.
so that is 38 times 2 times 2, that's 2, that is 60, 68, that's 74, right?
What is 2 times 30? It is 60, right?
60,
And 2
yeah.
times 8, it is 16. So it
Uh-huh.
is 60 plus 16, 76. And plus
Oh,
1, so it is
76.
77. 77 over 2.
77 over 2 over 11. Okay, that's 7, 11, that's 7 over 2, then wait. That goes into 7 and 11 doesn't go to 2. So that's that is
And
100.
that's why when you're dividing, look, you should do like this. Here we have 11x, right? On the right hand side, we have 77 over 2.
2.
Fine. Now, how can I actually uh, eliminate this 11 from the left hand side? If you remember to do this one, I should multiply both sides by 1 over 11. So here we have times 1 over 11, multiplying by the same number. 1 over 11 times 11, it is 1. We have only x left here. 77 times 1, it is 77 over, here we have 2 times 11. If you write like this, now we can just simplify it
7
much
over
faster.
2.
7 times 11 over 2 times 11. 11, 11, it is 7 over 2. So what is x here? It is
3 and 1.
$3.50.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I did it in another way, so.
Yeah, also this is also okay, but immediately actually, this means that Shahina, you're dividing this. So you need to write it like this: 77 over 2 is divided by 11, which means 77 over 2 times 1 over 11. Or immediately you can just bring this numerator to the numerator, the same thing.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. That's 11. No. By 1 over 11. Also equals to 77 over 2 divided
No,
by
no, Shahina, now you will get confused. Can you also erase, okay, delete this one. Can you delete this and delete this? Now, right there, from here, Shahina, right. 11x equals
77
77 over 2.
divided by
No. Okay, now multiply both sides by 1 over 11. Multiply both sides by 1 over 11. Also multiply the left-hand side. I know, you didn't multiply the left-hand side. You multiply right-hand side by this. Also, you need to multiply the left-hand side by this number, right?
Oh, yeah. So that's 11 over 11. 11 over 11. So that's divided.
Shahida, what are you doing?
Wait.
Are you tired?
I am confused.
Here, what we have here is, we have this thing, right? 11x is equal to 77 over 2. Now, next step, multiply both sides by 1 over 11 equals 1 over 11 times 77 over 2. Now, this 11, they cancel each other. Here we have x, and 77 over 11, that is 7 over 2. Right?
Uh-huh.
So now if it's just simple, since it's about money, we better leave our answer as a decimal, corrected 2 decimal places. So that is 3.50.
Okay, so it's 3. Okay,
So
yeah.
Shahina, you need to start counting stuff from here. You need to multiply left hand side by 1 over 11. Can you see that?
I did it. Oh, yeah.
11. Is it 11?
Yeah, just there too.
Okay.
So
Delete that.
x equals.
Delete this, Shahina. We don't need this stuff, Shahina. This one, delete everything. So now, right, on the left-hand side, we have x. X equals, and simplify the right-hand side. 77 over 11, that is 7. So that is 7 over 2.
Over 11. That is 7. Like that. 2 which equals to 3.5.
I know, what is it? What does it mean? I don't understand. What does this mean? Can you explain?
What?
What is it?
That I think did 27 over 11. But then that equals. That's so confusing. Okay. So that equals to 77 over 11, which that equals to 7 over 71.
Shahina, I think you are tired. Why are you actually making things more complicated? Simply here, we are solving this equation. 11 times x equals 77 over 2, right? In many different ways we can solve this. One way is, okay, you can just write it like this. 11 times x. How about 77? I can write it as 11 times 7 over 2. 11 times something, 11 times something. So I can cancel them out. Here we have x equals 7 over 2. Now by this time, you should be very fast to simplify these fractions. And we did a lot of things like this, right?
Which equals to. Okay. So that's 77, 11x. So we subtracted them out by.
And can you write here 2? You see that? Can you write here 2?
Oh, did I erase that? Okay, 2.
Okay.
So that's
No, why are
30.
11x again, Shahina? Why? They already canceled out. 1 over 11 times 11. What is it? Just x, right? So
Okay.
77 over 11, it is 7 in the numerator. So it is 7 over 2.
Over
That's it.
2 equals
Equals
3.5.
3.5. No, just because it's some money, right? So you better write it in
Yeah.
decimal form. It's better. 3.50 or 5. It's okay.
X
All
equals
right.
3.5.
Now, actually, we need to
So,
find this x, right? Because it says, what is or how much does a mooncake with double egg yolk cost? So, dot, 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 a mooncake with double egg yolk costs $3.50.
double yolk
Cost.
cost 3.
That's it. Very good.
Um, oh no. Okay.
Okay, Shahina, you have 3 minutes to solve this question. No help, no instruction for you, no hints. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
4 minutes. If you cannot solve in 4 minutes, then we will discuss together. Okay, do it.
So let x be x be let y be
No, Shahina, why are you using two variables? Use only one variable and write everything in one variable using that variable. If you use
so
two variables, you cannot solve this question now.
p x wait, okay. 4 times is tops. That's tx and top of 1/3 of areas. So that's 1 over 3h.
Why are you deleting, Shahina? What happened?
I think I made a mistake.
No, we don't know the Tom's, right? Okay, here it says that Dick's share is 4 times as much as Tom's share, right? So just right now, let's X be Tom's share. It was correct. Right, let X be. Let X be Tom's share.
Tom's share. Okay.
Now we can just using this thing, we can read Dick's share is 4 times as much as Tom's, right? Tom's share, it is X. So it says that Dick's share is 4 times as much as Tom's. So it is 4X. And we will continue. And after that, and Tom's share is 1/3 of Harry's. If Tom's share is 1/3 of Harry's, then what is Harry's share? It is 3x, right? Because 1 over 3 is 3x equals x.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay. So that's 3x. Where is the 3x? How much is each of their share? Okay. I think I got that. X plus 4x plus 3x equals to 256. So that's 8x, right? Equals to 256. X equals to 2 times, okay, that equals to 200 plus
256 over 8. Can you divide it by 8 mentally?
200, that is,
It's 256. Shaheen, you can write like this, right? 240 plus 16 over 8. Because this one is easy to divide by 8. 224 divided by 8, it is 3. 30 plus 16 divided by 8, it is 2. So this is 32.
2. Okay. Because I keep thinking like 250, 200 plus 56, but
Also in long division, you can divide in long division, right? Immediately, just write here 256 divided by 8. 25 is divided by 8, it is 3. 3 times 8, 24. Subtract, it is 1. 16 divided by 8, it is 2. It is 16, 0. So 32. Long division. But for mental calculation, this method is much better, Shahina.
Yeah. So then that's 32. X equals 32. Equals 32. So 32 32. So 2 equals
How much is each of their share, right?
32.
So what is Tom's share? 32.
32.
Okay. Dick's share?
That
What is
is
4 times 32, Shahina?
120. 128.
128. Okay, right. $128.
That is 96.
And 3 times 32?
96. Okay. So that is the answer.
Okay. Okay, Shahina, no need to write the result. Okay, let's move to the next question. Save it first. Shahina, what happened? Your computer is moving so slowly.
It is?
Yeah, because you're writing and I can see that after maybe 2-3 seconds.
Um, Meng Kong had saved a small sum of money for his weekly pocket money. After receiving a total of $108 as Hong borrowed money from his relatives during the Chinese New Year, he decided to donate one-fifth of his money to the community chest of Singapore. His other siblings also donated a total of $148 to the community chest. If their total contribution to the community chest was $200, how much did Men King save originally? Okay.
Did you understand the question, Shahida?
A little bit. Like I had trouble doing this, but yeah, I could try.
Okay, now let's solve this together, Shahina. 2 questions left, and let you can try yourself.
Oh wait, I think I understand it.
Sorry?
I think I understand it.
Can you do it?
I'm not sure, but I think I could try.
Yeah, let me just give you
So
one hint, then
let
you can do that. Here,
X be
as you see in the first sentence, right? Let's, very good, let's continue. What are you going to write?
weekly pocket money.
B, the weekly pocket money, very good.
And then so you received 108 afterwards. So
So now he received more this one, right? Now he
X
has,
plus 108.
okay. Now, if you continue, he has this much, and he's saying that he decided to donate 1/5 of the money, right? So what is 1/5? It is now he has this much money, X plus $108. So he decided to make 1/5 of this money to the donation, and plus also his siblings, right? Also added $148, $148. And together the total was $200. So the question is, we need to find X. Very good.
100. Okay. So that's 1 over 5x plus 1 over 5 of 108. That is.
No, Shahana, before you remove the brackets, first take this 148 to the right-hand side. As you see, it's a constant number. If you have constant number, immediately take it to the right-hand side. Then simplify. Just keep it like this. Then after that, we multiply both sides by 5. We can eliminate that 1 over 5. Okay, right? 1 over 5 in parentheses, x plus 108 equals
100 minus
200
140.
minus 148.
Okay. That's 1 over 5x plus 108. That
No,
is.
don't remove the brackets, Shahina. Just keep it like this, because now we are going to multiply both sides by 5, right?
Oh, yeah.
So if you remove the brackets and multiply, it's a lot of extra operations, and it's a waste of time, and it may make you confused. So x plus 108. Simplify the right hand side. Plus 108.
200 minus 148. That is 160. No, 62.
No, Shahina. 200 minus 148. 200 minus 100, it
Oh,
is 100, right? And 100 minus 48,
60.
52, Shahina. Why do you get confused? 100 minus
Oh, I
48.
accidentally wrote
100
60.
minus
Okay.
40, 60. 60 minus 8, it is 52.
Okay.
Okay, now multiply both sides by 5.
5 times 1 over 5, that is 26 over 5. X plus 1 over 8. 52 times 5, that is...
What is 26 over 5? What does it mean?
It is 5 times 1 over 5.
Shahina, 5 times 1 over 5. What is it? It is 1.
Okay. Oh,
We want to make it 1. That's why we multiply by 5.
Okay.
Okay, so it is 1. It's just we have x plus 108. No need to put parentheses. Just write x plus 108 on the left-hand side.
Which 52 times 5, that's...
5 times 50, 200. 50, 5 times 2, 10. So it is 260, right?
560. Oh, yeah.
216. Good. So x equals 260 minus 108.
That's 152.
152.
Yeah.
So x equals 152.
So he originally had $152.
Okay. So originally his or her weekly pocket money was $152. Okay. Very good. Shahina, did I send you review questions? Yes, you have. It's there, right? Try to finish those questions by Wednesday. We have one question left, 13. Also, it is homework. Let me see your work, okay? If you can finish maybe today or tomorrow, send me the last question, how you solve it, okay, Shahina? So your homework until Wednesday is finish this review questions too. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shahina, see you on Wednesday at 9:30.
See you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.